Hey 30-minute marketers, in today's video we're going to talk about the affiliate tools for beginners. If you're new to the channel, I'm Gary Baker and I'm here to show you how to do more to market your message in less time. To do that, make sure you click on the subscribe button or ring that bell for notification of future videos. Also check out the link in the description and the pinned first comment for a simple and effective step-by-step blueprint that you can use to start your own online business today. Remember, it's not about faster, it's about focus, and today we're focused on affiliate marketing tools for beginners. So before we start, let's talk about what our affiliate marketing business is going to look like. And when I talk about affiliate marketing tools for beginners, really what I'm doing is I'm talking about building an affiliate marketing business and building all the components and all the tools that you need to construct the business from the ground up. Okay? So of course, over here on the right-hand side, affiliate products, that's where we're going to want to get our customers to go and purchase the affiliate products that we're selling. Of course, that's inside of our niche, which consists of a problem, a solution, and a target audience. So to get them over to the affiliate product, the thing that we need to build in the base of our business is our website, where it says right here, your website. So for 30-minute marketing, that would be like this page that you always see here. This is the home page, which tells you about 30minutemarketing.net, what it's all about. It gives you some great information, and it also has a button here to access the blueprint that I always mention, the step-by-step effective blueprint that I always talk about here on the channel. And of course, that button leads you over to a landing page or what is called a squeeze page, depending on the function of it. In this case, a landing page that gives you more information about the training that I always recommend. So as you can see here, this page is built over at 30minutemarketing.net. It's a separate page of my home page, and it's telling you all the information you need to know and how to get started and how to provide your email address. So then, of course, I can follow up with you as my audience, which is, as you see here, my website and my email autoresponder. Of course, for your website, you're going to need web hosting. And the easiest and effective way to do that is just go to Google, type in web hosting, and then just pick one from the list. Don't overthink it. They're all about the same price. Of course, the one I use is HostGator. And as you can see here, HostGator, if you take a look at the site, they have hosting for just about everything you need. Of course, WordPress hosting, which is the recommended hosting. That's the platform that I use, is WordPress. You can get that for $5.95 a month, and you can get started with that easily. Of course, check out the asterisk, read the fine print, make sure how much it is after the getting starting price, but you're talking a nominal fee to get started with hosting, and that is the key component inside of the funnel. Of course, we're talking about here at 30minutemarketing.net, we talk about driving traffic from YouTube, driving traffic from Facebook, and we do that through our website over to the affiliate products. And your website is your foundation. It is the first tool you should invest in, and that is web hosting. WordPress is free, and of course, the theme and the pages you see here, to include the 30minutemarketing.net blog that you see here on the screen now, is all built on a theme called Thrive Themes. Now, of course, there are free themes that you can use when you first get started, but if you want to be able to do everything with minimum issues and minimum problems when you first get started, go ahead and invest in something like Thrive Themes. It is solid, it is proven, it is used by many, many marketers that have very big and successful businesses, and it is a trusted player in the world of web hosting and WordPress. Of course, all the links for everything I talk about will be in the description as normal. So here we are talking about the funnel again and the tools that we need. We talked about the website. So you have to build a website. That is your ground base, that is your home, that is your business. Just like if you had a brick and mortar business, that would be your office, that would be your warehouse. Then you need somewhere to collect those email addresses, and that's going to be an email autoresponder. Of course, just go to Google again and search for email autoresponder and just pick one. But if you want my recommendation is going to be a little bit down the page, and it's going to be AWEBER. And of course, AWEBER, if you go there, you'll see that that starts out at $19 a month. But it, in my opinion, is the best autoresponder to get started with. It's easy to use. It's very easy to understand. It has great support, and it also has good email deliverability, which means that if you send an email from AWEBER, it has a tendency to go in the inbox more than some of the other autoresponders out there that might be a little on the cheaper side. Again, do your due diligence, do your research. It's your business. It's up to you. This is something you're going to have to make the decision on. Back to the funnel here inside of Funnelytics. Of course, your website built on WordPress with your squeeze page, your blog, because that's going to be where you want to drive your audience to your content, to make sure that you're giving them value. Because remember, your audience, your niche has a problem. They're looking for a solution. So you need to be able to create content that identifies the problem and it identifies the solution, which is over to that affiliate product that solves their problem. And you're going to do that with your email autoresponder, which I recommended AWEBER, of course. And of course, you're going to do all this with these two main tools, your website and your email autoresponder, and you're going to do that with follow-up. The other main tool that I recommend for beginners is knowledge, is to invest in yourself and understand what affiliate marketing is about and the bigger picture of marketing, what marketing is about. And the way to do that, the best way I can recommend to do that, is to read at least 3 books about marketing. The reason I recommend you read 3 books is simply because the majority of people in any field that get started, whether their day-to-day job or something like starting an affiliate marketing business, never read at least 3 books. So you need to read and understand the history behind marketing, understand the psychology behind marketing, and understand the process of picking a niche, understanding that there's a problem, there's a solution, and that there's an audience out there that is looking for the solution to their problems. And to do that, the 3 books that I recommend are, the first book from Russell Brunson is .com Secrets. Of course, you can get this book for free. It's a shipping and handling. You pay the shipping and handling and they ship it to you. I'll leave a link for this book. You can get this on his webpage for ClickFunnels, where you only pay the shipping and handling and then go through his funnel, or you can also get it on Amazon.com. I'll leave a link for both of these in the description below, but I highly recommend .com Secrets. Second book is Expert Secrets by Russell Brunson. You can actually buy these in one package over at his ClickFunnels site. Again, I'll leave the link in the description. And although I do recommend these books and you read these books, the reason I recommend these books, .com Secrets was the first book he wrote. And then this is the follow-up book, Expert Secrets. You have to understand that when you read this book, if you go, and I hope you can see this, these are the references that he used to write this book. After you read .com Secrets and then you read Expert Secrets, flip to the back of that, read those references, and that's going to lead you to understand the other books in marketing that you want to read. But these 3 books, .com Secrets, Expert Secrets, and then the Ultimate Marketing Plan, which you've seen me talk about here on the channel before. This one is from Dan S. Kennedy. These 3 books are going to set you above just about everyone else that are trying to become an affiliate marketer as a beginner, because I guarantee you they're not going to take the time to invest in the knowledge they need and read these 3 books and understand that the references and the knowledge they gain from reading these books is going to help them immensely build and grow an affiliate business, an affiliate marketing following, affiliate marketing audience, because that's truly what your affiliate business is built on, is your audience. So again, to summarize, we're talking about getting your own website, your own hosting, your own email autoresponder, so you can collect leads and follow up with your audience and drive them over to the affiliate products. And then, of course, we're talking about building your knowledge by reading those 3 books. Don't forget, this is super important right here. The knowledge that you gain from these 3 books is worth more than any of these tools, because tools will come and go, but what you put up here, you'll have forever. All right. Don't forget, check that link in the description and the pinned first comment for a simple and effective step-by-step blueprint that you can use to start your own online business today. Of course, that doesn't replace these 3 books and these tools, but it's a great place to start. And with that 30-minute timer, click right here, subscribe to the channel, check out the videos here on the end screen for more awesome content just like this one, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.